Hi dear Aries, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Aries Sun, Moon, Venus rising. And I thought this time I should just let you see the cards, what is coming for you guys for your love life. Okay, so keep in mind this is a general love reading. This might or might not resonate with you at the first place. And the second thing that the roles can be reversed anytime. Okay, now let's start. Your partner's current energy right now is Aries. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Okay, the cards are jumping here and there, and one more shuffle and we are good to go. Let's see. Knight of Wands. So I feel like right now your partner is trying to run from some kind of stress, some kind of anxiety, some kind of problems. They are just running behind the physical beauty right now. For some of you, this person is just literally working on the physical beauty, or they just want to have a no commitment relationship, or no commitment, no tension, this kind of relationship they want in their life. This is their current energy, and I feel like this person right now is not at all ready for commitment, not at all ready for any kind of love relationship or anything like that. Let's clarify. I will clarify with the tarot cards. Rider-Waite. This is the easy tarot and this is Rider-Waite that I'm using here. Okay, let's clarify the Knight of Wands in their current energy. Let's see what is happening in their current energy. Let's see. King of Wands, Judgment, Ace of Cups. See, now I can see that this person is literally coming out of a state of mind where he was deeply in love with somebody and he felt like he should just forgive that person and start this connection all over again. But after the heartbreak thing happened, this person literally felt like he's not going to commit to anybody. He's just going to travel the world, explore the world, have just fun, like in his life. Might be physical fun, or you can say sexual attraction. So I feel like right now this person, see, you see that Knight of Wands, this person is going to King of Wands. So this person right now is not at all ready for commitment energy. This person is ready to forgive the past and forgive the love relationship that he had in the past. Okay, and I feel like yes, he do want to have a reconciliation, he do want to forgive you, and he want you to forgive them, but they don't want any kind of commitment energy right now. They just want to have a casual relationship or casual connection. They want to start the connection all over again, but they want to keep it casual. Okay, this is their current energy, Aries. Now let's see what's your current energy, Aries. Your current energy right now is, let's see. Your current energy right now is Aries. Your current energy right now is Two of Pentacles. So Aries, I feel like you have two options in your life and you're constantly juggling between these two options, and both are looking good to you. Might be you're constantly juggling between yes or no. Might be you're constantly juggling between the past person and the present person. Might be you're just constantly juggling between whether you should be in the connection or not. There is constant conflict in your mind. There's constant juggling going on in your mind. This person is literally juggling here. Can you see this person juggling these two pentacles and trying their best to hold both of them? This is not possible, right? You just have to go one of this thought, one of this person, or one of this thing, so that you can go with the other, right? So you have to decide for yourself. It is the thing. Let's clarify the Two of Pentacles in your current energy. Let's see. Just give me a second. मम्मी वो बाहर चले जाओगे क्या? हाँ. Let's clarify the Two of Wands in your current energy. Page of Wands, the Devil, and Three of Swords. See, okay. So now I can see completely, Aries, what you are doing. You want to start this connection all over again, but you are very scared of the past. Very scared of the past, the obsessive behavior you guys had, the possessiveness, the toxicity in this connection. So there is energy of starting this connection. There is energy of toxicity and negativity around this. Can you see that this is obsession, this is possessiveness, this is something toxic, and that completely broke you, this toxicity, this negativity, this negative behavior, this whatever this toxic connection was, that completely broke your heart. And now you're constantly juggling between whether to give this connection another chance or not. For some of you, I feel like there was a third party situation, because the devil and the three of swords are here. I feel like you are constantly thinking about two people at the same time. You are not able to decide which one is a good one for you. Okay, might be you were stuck in the third party situation in the recent past. Now you want to start, this connection all over again with whomsoever you are connected with, but you are constantly in dual mind, dual situation, conflicted state of mind right now. Okay, this is your current energy, Aries. Let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you, Aries. Let's see what this person feels for you. Let's see their feelings for you. Ten of Swords in reverse. I feel like now this person is feeling like the worst is over, and he's over the betrayal, over the pain, over the backstabbing. Now this person is over this painful situation. See, I told you this person wants to start this connection all over again. They have the potential to start this connection, but not in a committed way, not in a way where they and you are committed or going to marry each other or something like that. But this person is feeling like the worst is over between you guys, and now there's a chance to start this connection all over again. Okay, let's clarify the Ten of Swords in reverse as their feelings for you. Universe, please tell me why they are feeling like this. What are their intentions behind these feelings? Universe, please tell me. The Tower. Okay. Tower, the Seven of Wands, and the Two of Wands. I feel like this person, after this breakup thing, after this fallout thing with you, this person was still acting very, very defensive. He was very protective. He was not able to move, or he was not able to come towards you. He was like just constantly being in this defensive state of mind, and he was just waiting for the right time to reconnect with you. They were waiting for the right time. Can you see this person? And I feel like this person have took the decision that they are going to come back to you, but they will wait for the right time to come to you. This is the situation. So now this person is feeling like, yes, the worst is over. Now we can start this connection all over again. And the story behind this is they feel like the breakup is already done, and I have done everything, like every kind of defensive stuff, every kind of defensive shit that I could. Now I have taken a decision that I'm going to go back to this person or connect with them again. Might be just on a physical level, might be energetically only, but yes, this person is just waiting for the right time to arrive you. Okay, because they are feeling like the worst is over now and they can restart this connection. This is the situation. Let's see what this person wants from you. Actually, let's see what this person wants from you, Aries. Let's see what this person wants from you. Page of Pentacles. See, this person wants a message from your side, a conversation from your side. This is a Page of Pentacles energy. This is a messenger card, and this is immature energy. They want this connection to restart. There is a restart everywhere, and you on the other hand is constantly juggling. See, you are juggling, and this person is ready to have a brand new beginning with you. But again, I'm telling you again and again, they are not ready to commit, or they are not in the lovey-dovey situation right now. They just want to have a start with you. Might be just a friendship, or might be just a casual sexual relationship with you. This is what they want, and what they want from you is a conversation. They want you to text them or initiate the chat, initiate the conversation. Okay, they want an initiation from your side, but this is what they want from you. Let's clarify the Page of Pentacles as what they want from you. Universe, please tell me the story behind this card. The Hermit, the Five of Wands, and the Three of Pentacles. So you could be dealing with a Virgo here, and there was card of Capricorn as well there, and lots of words are present here, so might be you are dealing with some fire sign, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, yeah, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, right? So yeah, this person went within. This person thought a lot about this fight that you guys had in the recent past. Now they want to put in the effort, put in the energy in this connection, and they want equal give and take of energy. They want to participate in this connection. They want to, they are waiting for a communication from your side. See, I told you the energies can be reversed anytime. It could also mean that you are waiting for a message from their side, and that you have think about a lot. You gave a lot of thought to this connection, to this perception that I want a text from them or not. And after this fight, you gave a lot of thought about this fight that you guys had in the past, or they gave a lot of thought about this particular fight between you guys. Now after this fight, now they are realizing that they want you in their life, and they are ready to put in the effort, put in the energy from their side in this connection, and they want you to initiate the chat, to initiate the communication from your side. They're just waiting for your message or text or call, so that they can start this connection all over again. Okay, let's see what is coming towards you till 21st of August. Let's see, Aries. See, this card literally jumped out for you. This is the Three of Cups energy. This is reconciliation energy. Three of Cups energy. This is reconciliation energy as well. And if we take it in a negative sense, this is energy of third party situation as well. Might be this person is involved in a third party as well right now. This could be a very rare chance, but for most of you, I feel like this is a reconciliation energy. Three of Cups energy is here. Celebration energy, celebration of some kind of bonding, some kind of might be just having a date with each other, trying to give each other space and time. Okay, let's clarify the Three of Cups as a potential outcome for you, Aries. Oh, Four of Wands. See, celebration and celebration. Six of Cups. Definitely this person is coming. This person is like slow to approach, but they are coming. So there is reconciliation energy. This person is coming towards you. They are feeling like they should celebrate life with you. I don't say this is a marriage card here right now. Intuitively, I'm getting this is just celebrating the reconciliation, just celebrating the unity that you guys are having, because this person is missing you very much. You guys had a past history together. You guys had sweet memories together, and they are slow to approach you. They are going to think about this very, very much, very much. They are not thinking much about the future, although this is the card of Knight of Pentacles, is the card of stability and thinking about the future. But here I'm getting that this person is coming back to you because of the past you guys had together, and they were thinking a lot about this coming back. Okay, they were giving this a lot of thought, and after giving lot of thoughts, after giving lots of you can say ifs and buts to their own mind, to their own soul, now finally they are coming towards you. Now finally the reconciliation is happening between you guys. This is a good energy finally. So it is like the end is good. Okay, so till 21st of August, I feel like this person is coming back to you, and you guys are going to celebrate, or you are going to go on a date or something like that. I don't feel like any committed energy here, but yes, reconciliation energy is here. Okay, so thank you so much, Aries, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.